Hey guys, कैसे हो आप सब लोग? Hope every one of you watching this video right now is doing good. Myself Agneva Maiti and I welcome you back to our YouTube channel. So as most of you might already know about it, the forms for TOLANI Maritime Institute DNS are already out. And if you still don't know about it, I would recommend you to pause this video and go do fill it right now. So today I'll be discussing about the DNS written examination conducted by TOLANI Maritime Institute, also known as the pre-screening test. I'll be discussing about the pattern, the subject-wise distribution, and also what will be a safe score to get your name in the first list in this pre-screening test. Okay, if I talk about the pattern of this examination, there will be 80 questions of 1 mark each, basically 80 questions and 80 marks. There is no negative marking, and the time allotted will be around 1.5 hours, which sums up to around 90 minutes. It is an online home-based examination, a computer-based test, which will be conducted via devices like computer, laptops, and it will be an proctored examination. Bot will be right after you, not letting you cheat and stuff. So you cannot open other tabs. And also, I would say it is a very simple and basic test, not so hard. You can prepare well for it and do clear. Now, if I talk about the subject-wise distribution, there will be physics of 25 marks, 25 questions, maths of 25 marks, 25 questions, and 30 of general aptitude and reasoning. Yes, there is no chemistry and English in this examination. Only physics, maths, and general aptitude reasoning. If I talk about the level of these subjects, aptitude and reasoning, I would say is of very basic level. Not so difficult, you can easily clear it. And maths and physics, I would say mostly of 12th, a little bit, you can say a little bit of 11th standard as well. But mostly questions will be of chapters from 12th standard. And basics, not so tough. You can easily clear it. Moderate level, I would say. Now, before I tell you about the safe score, I would like to mention why you should actually fill this form. As I've already mentioned in my previous videos, you should actually fill the forms of various institutes like TOLANI Maritime Institutes, IMI, and IMUCET as well. I would personally recommend you to fill this form very promptly because amazing internal companies like Tom Tankers, Scorpio Tankers, TOLANI Shipping, TA Erudite, then we have BSM, Thome Group, Volume Ship Management. These are all the internal companies which don't come externally for their recruitment drives. They come in this very prestigious college called TOLANI Maritime Institute for selecting their DNS students. So I would totally recommend you to fill this form and prepare well for it and do clear it. Coming to the last segment of this video, the safe score, which most of y'all are waiting for it, I know. The knowledge which I have gathered along with my friends, we all have sat for this TMI pre-screening test. I had met with many friends who had cleared this test as well. So I believe a safe score out of 80 would be above 60 to 65. I had friends who had their names in the first list with a score of 55, 56 as well. But given the current scenario, like the amount of competition growth right now, I would say a score above 65 or 60 will be very good for you, and you will surely sit for at least 1 or 2 companies. Not one, I would say 2 or 3 companies. At least you will be shortlisted for 2 to 3 companies if you clear this TMI pre-screening test with a score above 65. So that will be it from my side. If you have any doubts regarding TMI or any other institute pre-screening tests, whatever doubts you have, do let me know in the comments down below. Also, I'll be providing you all with a link in the description box below. You can fill it. It is free of cost. Call assistance from our budding mariners team. Mentors like me, Dev sir, Swetanshu sir, and many other my fellow faculty mates. They will surely get back to you and reach out to you to clear all your doubts. So that will be it. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Do you guys want the updates regarding the exam forms or the maritime industry in general? या फिर एग्जाम्स के लिए मोटिवेशन चाहिए, then you definitely need to follow our Instagram channel for all this stuff and much more.
Want the best notes and material for IMUCET and sponsorship exams? Want daily quizzes? Or do you want your doubts about your merchant navy career solved by our mentors? Search Budding Mariners on Telegram or click on the link in the description below to start your mariner journey with us today.